Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. News updates bafowethu, ngishilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imatch yakhona ngeke idlale e-TV. I-Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphe i-statement namhlanje ichaza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Bathi le match lena ngumgqibelo ye-CAF Confederations Cup against i-AS Simba laphana e-DRC bafowethu, ngeke ibe khona e-TV or live anywhere. Ngoba i-team laphana ama-host ayikwazanga ukuthola ama-broadcasting rights nama-local broadcasters. Lento lena izo-affecta ukuba available kwe-match kuma-feeds. Bathi bona as-team evisithayo laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs i-relya kuma-host ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola maybe ama-broadcasting right, ama-partners, and then kusho ukuthi bazolinka up nama-partners wabo overall laphana e-South Africa as things were previously done laphana e-Angola. Ithi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyaxolisa kakhulu ngalento le yenzakalayo bafowethu, bathi-ke unfortunately lokhu njana, this matter is beyond the control ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Bathi-ke bazo-update abantu laphana ama-supporters wabo overall kuma-online platform, ku-Facebook naku-Twitter naku-Instagram as i-game i-unfolda ukuthi kwenzakalani overall bafowethu. King of the problem, ibhola lase-Africa ney'nkinga zalo-ke linjena-ke bafowethu. But abanye abantu bayabuza ukuthi why i-Kaizer Chiefs inga-stream le game le ku-YouTube channel yabo online laphana, because into easy, kubonakala ngathi into easy ngempela ukuthi bayenze. Siphila ku-digital platform. Well, Kaizer Chiefs number one ayifani nathi bafowethu, team respected enkulu, right? So they cannot, i-property right yani ye-CAF le akuseye ye-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs i-broadcaste ku-YouTube channel yabo ama-matches wabo we-pre-season. Nami ngichazile we-pre-season because bokuyi ama-property wabo as i-Kaizer Chiefs, and ayikho i-channel beyinama-broadcasting right, or ayikho i-competition beyinama-broadcasting right waleyo competition. It was just the off season. Kuyenzeka-ke uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uSuperSport uyafuna ukubroadcasta leyo game leyo, but i-SuperSport ayifly e-Netherlands, ithatha ama-feeds from, let's say, i-Kaizer Chiefs. Angithi bayakwazi bona uku-connecta ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bayabroadcastela imatch, or bathumele lese abantu baku-SuperSport lese abayi-2 nokubona i-SuperSport mayidlala bafethu ihambisa le track yakhona enkulu. So there's no way ukuthi i-track ye-SuperSport iye lese kwamanye amazwe, unless if maybe kune-multi-choice kuleyo country leyo, kufana nako-Nigeria i-multi-choice ikhona, or ngithi i-DStv ikhona, right? So inkinga enkulu masiyibheka lento lena bafethu. It speaks to, khona lento bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ama-broadcasting rights into serious ngempela, but le team le kusho ukuthi yenze ngamabomu lento lena bafethu. Why ayifuna ukuthi i-match ibe se-TV, ifuna i-Kaizer Chiefs iyorojwa-ke lapha bafethu, hayi iKenya. Ukwayibona phi i-match ekungana-approve, ngeke phela bakwazi ukuyi-prove i-match esingayibonanga live. Abantu ngeke bakwazi uku-reacta i-match esingayibonanga live. Yiphi i-match of this magnitude bafethu edlalwa behind closed doors ngathi kudlala i-friendly game? Ayikho, angiyazi mina. Cabanga, this is the biggest match for bona of the season currently, Kaizer Chiefs naleya team le. Why ngithi big match bafethu? Because badlalela ukuya kuma-group stages. So i-team equalify kuma-group stages izothola imali laphana ku-CAF ukuthi bakwazi ukukhava lawo ma-cost, ama-travelling cost nezinye izinto, hhayi ukuthi baspende ephoketheni labo nje kuphela. So i-team eluzayo-ke unfortunately-ke iyaphuma, izonokwa out ku-CAF Confederations Cup. And bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi mabeze e-South Africa le nkinga le ngeke ibe khona. So i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ikwazi ukubacindezela, because obvious mabeze e-South Africa i-Kaizer Chiefs la idlala khona, mina ama-camera ahlezi khona, so bayazi ukuthi when we go to South Africa, obviously they're gonna broadcast this thing. Okunye ngeke sikubone, sithembe ukuthi kuzokwazi ukutraceka okunye bafethu, because this thing is bad, this thing is like, it's sad. Ngeke sikwazi noku-analyze igame ukuthi ihambe kanjani, usibani udlale kanjani, first starting lineup, first half udlale kanjani. Hayi, bengicabanga ukuthi mina inkinga i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukuyisolva, but at the same time ba-away, they can't solve this thing. At the same time bengicabanga ukuthi ku-possible ukuthi bayi-broadcaste ku-YouTube channel yabo. Then I realized ukuthi it's not possible. Akusiyi-product yabo lento le, product ye-CAF yini bayithengisele i-Total Engines, so i-product yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs if ithatha i-camera yayo iyayibeka lapha, noma kuthiwa ifoni noma kuthiwa i-camera enjani iyasibroadcastela, it mean ichaza ukuthi bantshontsha ama-image rights we-CAF. Angazi noma bafethu nayi-understand lento le i-complicated kakhulu. Other hand iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala e-T_V. Orlando Pirates angikho sure ngayo akaka-confirm-a but iMamelodi Sundowns sekukhonfemiwe ukuthi izodlala ku-SABC 2 bafowethu. So iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ne-team yaseNigeria, i-Remo Stars, so that match will be live on television. So ngeke bakwazi ukuyishaya emva kwendlebe iMamelodi Sundowns because siyobe siyibukele i-match, siyibone ukuthi ihamba kanjani, sibone ukuthi badlala kanjani, sikwazi ukuba-critic abantu if siyaba-critic-a. But yeah, as for i-Kaizer Chiefs, as for I mean, this just shows ukuthi ibhola lase-Afrika li-disorganized, namanye ama-team akusho ukuthi awathathi izinto professional or benza nje ngamabomu, bafuna kube ne-frustration overall. Angikaze ngiyibone into enje, especially for i-team engaka. Abantu-ke uma ngithi ngiyabheka la kuma-comments online ande into ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but enye i-weekend futhi without ukubukela i-Kaizer Chiefs sibe sesilinde isikhathi esingaka bafowethu sibuya ku-international break noma FIFA break. Yeah, hhayi, abanye bathi why ningathathi i-Wi-Fi router bafethu ni-stream-e igame ku-YouTube channel. Le nto bengisho ukuthi they cannot do that. I-image ye-CAF, i-CAF ingabasuwa nokubasuwa because of kumele bathenge ama-rights ukuthi bayi-broadcast. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they cannot do that. Hhayi, ziyakhala bafethu. Yeah, I think kumele si-appreciate, ngibona nala i-message, kumele si-appreciate izinto la e-South Africa ukuthi zihamba kahle kakhulu. I mean, kwamanye ama-country on the continental level izinto ziphuwa. I mean, into enje bahluleka uku-broadcast game of this magnitude, and they understand very well ukuthi ukudlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuminani overall bafethu ukuthi badlala ne-team enkulu enama-fans amaningi, but-ke they could not get ama-broadcasting rights. Amabomu lawa bafethu, amabomu at all, ayikho le nto le, ayikho ngempela bafethu. Yeah, hhayi, ziyakhala. But yeah, I was expecting ukubona ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs okhanyisa amaye ukuthi bazodlala kanjani ku-continental level. Possibly singabona laphana uLebohang Maboe for the first time kuma-colours we-Kaizer Chiefs, naye besifuna ukumbona ukuthi uzodlala kanjani. Hhayi, abantu kuyangihlekisa cause ngibona ama-comment la amaningi ukuthi i-YouTube ayidingi ama-broadcasting right mos khosi, ungabeka ikhamera yakho nje njengaku-pre-season ayisebenzi kanjalo. Yeah, hhayi ziyakhala. Sithembe ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ibhekane nama-penalty angekho bafethu cause lapha bakurobha nje straight, ayikho indaba yakho. Kulama-country lawa barobha straight. Ngishilo nayizolo uma ngikhuluma ngale nto le ukuthi barobha i-Orlando Pirates, i-TP Mazembe yathola ama-penalty awu-2. Yeah, okay, ngicela ukubamba lana okwamanje indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.